So success factor modeling has been inspired by NLP, and because both NLP and success factor modeling are about, we say, looking at the differences that make a difference between a person, or in the case of SFM, a team, or even a whole organization that does something well, that is successful, that is remarkable, that is exceptional. So what are those differences that make these high-functioning people, high-functioning teams, and high-functioning organizations be so effective? And we say we're looking at what outcomes they seek, what actions they take, and again, what is the key characteristics of the mindset that allows people to be successful. So again, in SFM, we've modeled, I personally have interviewed and modeled some of the world's most successful entrepreneurs and companies. And we, again, as with NLP, we put them into learnable, teachable steps so that anybody can become more successful in whatever they do. So we say SFM is about helping people to live their dream and make a better world through their business, through what they do. And so SFM 1 is about what we call next generation entrepreneurs, people who want to start a business. SFM 2 is about collective intelligence. How do we work generatively and collaboratively with other people in order to build a business and make a dream become a reality? SFM 3 is about conscious leadership and resilience. How do we inspire others to act? How do we encourage team cooperation? And importantly, how do we be an example and express our vision? So these are all are about getting the tools that you need in order to build the future that you want.